Alright, back on the treadmill again. While training for a race, Andre's dad ran 12 miles in 75 minutes on a treadmill. So I'm going to box that in and label that as our ratio. So if he runs at that rate, how long would it take him to run 8 miles? And how far could he run in 30 minutes? Alright, so I'm going to create a table. And I want to know, how long does it take him to run 1 mile? So the problem doesn't ask me for that, but I'm just thinking ahead. So I'm going to put my headings as miles and minutes. So how long does it take him to run 1 mile if he runs 12 miles in 75 minutes? Okay. So really, if I were to continue my table, I could go ahead and insert 8 miles on the mile side, and then we have how far could he run in 30 minutes. So I could put 30 minutes here on my table. Let me go ahead and just finish up my table now that I have my thoughts on paper. Okay. And remember that we have the relationship that if we move from the left to the right, we are going to multiply by the same rate. So again, I'm just taking my understanding and I'm just putting it on paper. Okay. Alright, so this helps me to see that I'm going to start here, and I know 12 times some number equals 75, so I'm going to rewrite this as 75 divided by 12. And 75 divided by 12 is, let's see, I'm going to put it in my calculator. 75 divided by 12 is 6 25/100. Okay. So what this means is I can fill each one of these in with 6 25/100 because that is my rate. Okay. So then to find out the answer to question 1, how long would it take him to run 8 miles, then I would do 8 times 6 25/100. So I'm going to write that down actually. Okay. And then I'll use my calculator. 8 times 6 25/100 is equal to 50. So on my table, it would take 50 minutes to run 8 miles, which is the response to number 1. Alright, how far would it take him to run, how far could he run in 30 minutes? So there's 30 minutes on my table. This means some number times 6 25/100 equals 30. Okay. So to get the answer to this, I can rewrite this as 30 divided by 6 25/100. And in my calculator, 30 divided by 6 25/100 is equal to 4 8/10. So this means on my table that Andre's dad can run 4 8/10 miles in 30 minutes. So that was question 2. I did not really need to put 1. It just helps me to see, or to get my thinking straight of what am I trying to figure out and how do I want to work this problem. And I wanted to know how many minutes did it take him to run 1 mile. I could have done it the other way and I would have come up with the same result.